2024 was an interesting year for the market. Usually, towards the end of December each year, I like to take a deep dive into my trading to see how things went. While I did not meet my goal of triple-digit returns, I did outperform the S&P 500. Let's take a look at some key lessons from 2024. Stock selection matters. I've spoken to quite a few traders who've been frustrated with their returns over the past 12 months. By no means was this a broad-based rally like the 2020 bull market was. If you traded stocks like iBit, NVIDIA, App, Reddit, Palantir, ALAB, you probably had a great year. However, when we look at the NASDAQ Advanced decline line, it's clear that this was not a rip-roaring bull market beneath the surface. This was a year where you had to catch on to the themes that were present, namely institutional adoption of Bitcoin, AI, and stocks that had huge earnings growth combined with strong price action. Sit tight. When we look at my equity curve, you can see that the bulk of my gains came in the first quarter and the last quarter. I wasn't making any progress from March to November. However, I remained mostly in cash and only traded lightly during this period of time. My goal was to keep my account intact by strictly managing risk. Then, when the market got hot, I was taking very large positions and even went on margin. This is what trading is all about, learning when to step on the gas and learning when to sit tight and do nothing. Adapt to the market. Legendary trader Christian Kwalamagi once remarked, "You're not smarter than a 20-day moving average." That quote really hit home this year. Stocks like Palantir, Reddit, and App just rode their 20-day EMAs higher and higher each day. You would look like a genius if you followed Kwalamagi's advice this year. While I prefer to trade off the 50-day moving average, I noticed this theme and listened to the market. This allowed me to place some moves in Palantir, App, Reddit, and ALAB that I would not have had the chance to take had I waited for a different entry signal. A few good trades pay for all your losers. I was really embarrassed when I looked at some of my trades this year. I wondered, what was I thinking? However, the beauty of trading is that as long as you are quick to cut your losers, a few big winners can really make your year. Big wins in iBit, NVIDIA, Reddit, and ALAB more than made up for my many losing trades.